in association with an NGO, has proposed to the government of Goa Center of Excellence in Animal Welfare. हे सगळे काउज आणि बुल्स आमी जे म्हणटा ते रोडारूच आसता, म्हणजे लोकांनी अहेच सोडलेले आहा आणि they are 24 months on the road. A lot of accidents on daily basis. Anybody can check up in the primary health center or any of the hospitals. The tourists who are coming to Goa, they meet with an accident. The whole shelter will cost around 10 crores, and the Honorable Chief Minister in his first meeting has agreed in principle that he is ready to fund this. We have given a presentation to the Honorable Chief Minister today that the coastal belt really requires animal welfare, to do animal welfare center of excellence. We all came together and said that let us put a proposal before the government, and the first meeting was with Comunidad of Kalangut to give us land, and in principle they have agreed to give us more than 15,000 square meters of land to build this center of excellence in animal welfare. Now this will house dogs, cows, bulls, everybody, especially all the stray animals, and it will have a hospital, a veterinary hospital. It will have operation theatres. It will train youth to take care of animals, to give, whoever has passion in this will be part of this NGO. So this can be run by NGO with the government participation inside. All the people who will be working inside will be paid by the government.